This is going to be an unboxing and a review of these wireless earbuds. So taking a look at the box, it comes in a very simple and just sleek modern box. Nothing much to it, but then to take it out, you just go ahead and slide the top off and let the bottom kind of fall out. And then once you get here, you're revealed with the earbuds themselves. I'm going to go ahead and take the cartridge out of the box here and set the other side. And then on the bottom, it comes with the charging cable here. So this is a USB to a USB-C charging cable, and then the USB-C plugs into the headphones to charge them. And then it comes with extra earbuds here with different sizes to fit your ear. And then also these orange earbuds. I'm not really sure what they are, but taking a deeper look, this is the instruction manual and setup guide and stuff like that. And on the bottom, it has like a little thank you warranty card, and it comes with a 18-month warranty. So you just go ahead and scan the QR code to obtain the warranty. You just go to their website. I'm sure you fill out a form. But yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at the earbuds themselves. So they come in this little plastic wrapping here, and you slide it out. And yeah, these are the earbuds themselves. So they're very small, and they fit in the palm of my hand very, very easily. Opening them up, you can see that they're flashing blue and red. That just means that they're looking for a Bluetooth device to connect to, so they're trying to pair already. And then taking them out, they're very, very small and very clean looking. There's no stem or anything, so they're definitely going to hide in your ears very well. But yeah, these things seem very light. The case doesn't seem flimsy at all. So I'm going to go ahead and connect these to Bluetooth and see how they do. The setup process is very self-explanatory, but you just want to go to your settings and click Bluetooth, and you can scroll down and just wait for it to pop up. And then these are labeled TWS. You just click those, and then it takes a couple seconds to connect. And just go to information, then click device type, and then you just want to go ahead and check off the headphones button just to make sure you're getting the best audio quality out of these as possible. And after that, you are all ready to go. So as you guys could see, the setup process was very, very simple and very quick. Once the headphones are connected and you have them in your ear, there's going to be a little blue light that flashes every once in a while just to notify you that they are connected and working on your computer, your phone, or what do you have them connected to. But overall, I was listening to these things for a good bit, and they sound very, very good. They're a very good pair of wireless earbuds, especially for the price. They're very portable and small, which I like because they don't take up a lot of room in your bag or your pocket or anything like that. And charging them is pretty self-explanatory, but it's very easy. The charging port's on the back, and then you have the USB-C cable that it comes with, and you just take this and plug it into the back until it clicks, and then you just plug this into a USB port or whatever you have to charge it with. So yeah, overall, I would highly recommend these headphones for anybody who is looking for a new pair. The price is honestly amazing, especially for the quality that you get out of them. I would give this a 10 out of 10 review for these wireless earbuds.